students. So today's our topic is WordPad. Students, all we know that what is WordPad. We use WordPad for creating our letters, notes and posters. Usually we use WordPad for typing text documents. So students, there are some following steps to open the WordPad. Here firstly we have to click on Windows button, which we usually call the start button. After it we have to, here appears a menu. So click on all programs. After that a new menu will be open and click on accessories. After whenever we click on accessories, a WordPad option will be here. Then we have to click on that WordPad option. Students, next we have Paint. We are working on Paint from our third class. So students, we all know that what is Paint. Paint is usually used for creating drawings and color that drawings. So students, the extension of Paint is .jpg, .gif and .bmp. These are the extensions of Paint. We have to save our Paint document with these extensions. So students, here are some steps to open the Paint. Firstly, we have to click on Start button. Then we have to click on All Programs. Then we have to click on Accessories, and there is the option of Paint. Paint will be opened. So students, there are some parts of Paint window. Title bar, which is name of the Paint application. Next we have Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is used to have the tools which we have frequently used. So menu bar is used to contain all the options in the Paint window. Next we had vertical and horizontal scroll bar and status bar. Then we have zoom in, zoom out options and also work area. Students, work area is that area where we have draw our paintings and color them. Next, calculator. Students, we all know about the calculator. Calculator is a software which is capable of performing mathematical calculations like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Now we are here, open the calculator in the run box. Students, firstly we have to click on Start button. After that we choose the run box. Run box will be open. After that we have to type CALC. This is the short form of calculator. After that we have to click on OK. After that the calculator will be displayed and we can perform our mathematical calculations. Next we have students pictures. Pictures are same as we have pictures in our mobile phone. These are the visual capture of an object. Pictures can be created by using devices such as digital camera, scanner, smartphone. Students, in computer we can create pictures with the help of these devices. Next students, we have background, desktop background or pictures. Students, as you know all that we can change the background of our computer, which we call the wallpapers. Students, wallpaper is a background pattern or a picture against which desktop menus, icons and other elements are displayed and moved around. A wallpaper image can be a JPG or GIF file format. So students, we can change the wallpaper according to our requirement. Next students, screensaver. Screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. Whenever we didn't use our computer with a limited time which we have chosen, then we use the screensaver. So students, screensaver basically consists of an animated image. In screensaver, the objects of image can be animated. They can change their position from one point to another. Students, you can see that screensaver in our computers in the lab also. There are some bubbles. When you use your computer, there are some bubbles that are moving around the desktop screen. This is called the screensaver. Next students, how we can set the screensaver? There are some steps. Firstly, we have to click on screensaver thumbnail. Next, to set screensaver of your choice, on screensaver button and Select a screensaver of your choice from the drop down menu. To set the screensaver, firstly we have to click on setting buttons and set as per our choice. So students, to see preview of your screensaver, click on preview button. Preview button is used to see whatever we done in our computer. We can see that before apply it. So students, for running a screensaver automatically, we have to click on wait option. Here we have to set the time for 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, how much time we want. After that we have to click on apply, then we have to click on OK. Here students, we have control panel. The control panel is used for controlling all the accessories, all the devices, all the hardware devices which we are using in our computer, like keyboard, mouse, all the functions of computer. We can control them with the help of control panel. We can control the functioning of mouse, the speed of pointing mouse with the help of control panel. So students, control panel including keyboard, mouse functionality, users and password power options, network settings, desktop background, display background and display setting, sound settings, etc. Whatever the functions of computer, we can all control them with the help of control panel. Thank you.